What if I told you that a simple fruit could supercharge your metabolism, burn fat and help you get leaner, without making drastic changes to your diet? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, science says otherwise. Meet the pink grapefruit, a powerhouse fruit that holds the key to faster weight loss. And today we're diving deep into its incredible benefits, how it works, and how you can harness its fat-burning power. Stick around, because this might be the missing piece in your fitness journey. So, what makes pink grapefruit a game changer for weight loss? It all comes down to a powerful natural compound called naringenin. Now, if you've never heard of naringenin before, here's why you need to pay attention. Naringenin is a flavonoid that helps regulate blood sugar levels, reduce insulin resistance, and ignite your body's fat-burning potential. In simple terms, it stops your body from storing excess fat and instead helps burn it for energy. Let's talk about blood sugar regulation, one of the biggest factors in weight loss. When you eat processed foods or sugar-laden snacks, your blood sugar spikes. And guess what? Your body releases insulin, the fat storage hormone, to bring that sugar back down. But too much insulin means your body starts storing more fat, especially around the belly. This is where pink grapefruit shines. Studies show that naringenin helps stabilize blood sugar levels, prevent crashes, and keep insulin levels in check, which means less fat storage and more fat burning. So how do you use pink grapefruit to its full fat-burning potential? Eat half a grapefruit before your meals. Research has shown that consuming grapefruit before meals can reduce appetite, lower calorie intake, and increase metabolism. In fact, a famous study found that people who ate grapefruit before meals lost more weight than those who didn't, without changing anything else in their diet. But there's more. Naringenin in pink grapefruit has been shown to enhance fat oxidation, which is just a fancy way of saying your body burns more fat for energy. Instead of storing that extra slice of pizza as belly fat, your body starts breaking down stored fat for fuel. Imagine turning your body into a fat-burning furnace just by adding grapefruit to your diet. Did you know that weight loss isn't just about burning fat? It's also about getting rid of toxins. Pink grapefruit is packed with antioxidants and fiber, which help flush out toxins, improve digestion, and reduce bloating. So if you've been struggling with sluggish digestion or feeling constantly bloated, pink grapefruit could be your new best friend. Now, how can you add this powerhouse fruit into your daily routine? Here are some easy and delicious ways. Eat half a pink grapefruit before meals to reduce hunger and boost metabolism. Make a fat-burning grapefruit smoothie by blending it with avocado, cucumber, and a dash of ginger. Add grapefruit to your water for a refreshing metabolism-boosting drink. Toss grapefruit slices into your salads for a tangy twist. And if you want to take it up a notch, combine grapefruit with other fat-burning foods like green tea, cayenne pepper, and healthy fats for maximum results. As powerful as pink grapefruit is, it's important to note that it can interact with certain medications, especially cholesterol-lowering drugs, blood pressure meds, and some antidepressants. So if you're on any medication, be sure to check with your doctor before adding grapefruit to your diet. Alright, let's recap. Pink grapefruit is a fat-burning powerhouse that regulates blood sugar, boosts metabolism, and helps break down fat. It's a simple, natural, and effective way to enhance your weight loss journey. So, are you ready to give it a try? Drop a yes in the comments if you're excited to add pink grapefruit to your routine. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more science-backed weight loss tips. Also, check out our other videos on the best superfoods for fat loss. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong.